Assalamualaikum, here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines. PM expresses full confidence in Hafiz Sheikh, directs to continue as minister. Federal Minister for Finance and Revenue Hafiz Sheikh on Saturday met with Prime Minister Imran Khan here in Islamabad. PPP seeks application from candidates for NA 249 by polls. Pakistan People's Party has sought application from the candidates seeking party ticket to contest NA 249 by polls. Security forces kill 8 militants in North Waziristan. Security forces conducted 2 separate intelligence-based operations on terrorist hideouts in North Waziristan, killing 8 militants, including 3 commanders. Bilawal Hamza to discuss Long March Punjab in House change today. Pakistan People's Party chairperson Bilawal Bhutto Zardari will meet with the Punjab Assembly's opposition leader Hamza Shehbaz in Lahore Model Town today. Reopening England schools is step toward normality, says Boris Johnson. The reopening of England school to all pupils on Monday will mark the first step back towards normality and is only possible because of the effort of the public to bring COVID-19 infection rates down, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said. Rohde train accident. Labourers cut railway tracks with hand cutter. The Pakistan Railways authorities failed to provide the latest machinery for the rescue and relief operation near Sanghi railway station, where 9 bogies of the Lahore-bound Karachi Express derailed. Ghodki, 4 children injured in blast today outside DSP office. 4 children got injured in an explosion outside of the office of the Deputy Superintendent of Police in Ghodki Ubaro on Sunday. COVID-19 vaccination of people over 62 start Wednesday. The vaccination of people aged 60 years and above against the novel coronavirus will start from Wednesday, Planning and Development Minister Asad Umar announced on Sunday. This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.